Hi everyone, Jan here. Welcome back to my channel. You might have seen my last piece that I made, which was a collaboration with Nick from Paint and Bear. I wanted to try to do this more or less the same swipe today, but I want to try it with the Australian Floetrol. Instead of last time I used the Amsterdam Pouring medium for my cell activator. And I just want to see if it makes a big difference to use the Australian Floetrol. I don't expect it to, but we'll see. I will be using a little less paint, a little less of the colors, because I think that I put on just a little too much of everything last time, but we'll also see that. So it's the same size canvas. It's a weird French size, 61 centimeters by 38 centimeters. It takes approximately 430 milliliters of paint. So I have prepared my white paint, which is just white house paint mixed with marble pouring medium, but I've also put in some Owatrol because I ran out of the marble one. The colors I'll be using will be Amsterdam. This is the Naples yellow green. Then I'll be using a mix of El Greco burnt sienna and the Goya oxide brown. So it's a mix of these two together. Then I'll be using the Goya Paynes gray and the Amsterdam yellowish green. Love this as a pop color. I also have the DecoArt 24 karat gold and the Pebeo Studio acrylics iridescent blue green. Okay, so I will just put on my base coat, pillow paint, and I will fast forward. You don't need to see this, so I will be back. So I have put down the pillow paint or base coat, and I'll now start putting on the colors. Starting with the burnt sienna oxide brown mix. Well, it looks absolutely awesome. I love these cells here. Wow. Wow. Cool. Really cool. Just one little tiny edge here that has not got paint dripping down, so hopefully this will not show too much. Also over here, some more white-ish. Let me take you down for a close-up. So here's the final piece. Sorry about the glare from the window. I have a window right there. But yeah, this is, look at this, these cells, the lacing is absolutely stunning. Beautiful. Wow. The pebeo iridescent green, even though I didn't have that much, really shows. So this center line, it's gonna darken up a little bit from the gold, but wow, love it, absolutely love it. Really, really stunning, if you ask me. So this was where there was kind of like an edge that didn't show. Right now it looks a little bit patchy, but I'm pretty sure that once it dries, it won't really, you won't notice. So also here the lacing, these colors, really, really stunning. Oh my god, that's really, really pretty. Look at the colors there. Wow. Okay, well, let me go down here and show you from this side, and then I just want to thank you for joining me again, and please do subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Leave a comment for me. I love comments. I will respond to them, and it really means a lot to me if you would also give me a thumbs up. And with that, I wish you a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.